Hello friends, welcome back to SaritzArtRoom after long time, and today we will see DIY painting on our earthen pots. So it's a summer season and most of us are using earthen pots right now for drinking waters. Normally you will get earthen pots and earthen color, and we have to maintain that earthy color of the pot because that's the beauty of those earthen utensils or vessels. Okay, so we are using only white color to decorate it, a white acrylic color, and we will be using only small area of that particular pot or glass because we don't want to lose its porous texture. Allow it to dry completely before filling water inside. Using just white acrylic color and brush, we can just make over that earthen pot and give a very unique look and for your own home and kitchen decor. So here is my collection with unique touch to it, so you can see it how beautiful it looks, and you can also try it at your home. That's it for today. Have a lovely day. Take care. Be earthy. Be healthy. Enjoy summer. Bye bye.